Hey, what's up, traders? This is update for the Euro franc. So I was actually calling the long last weekend. Here's the reason why. So on the monthly, we have the reaction on this institutional level, right? Institutional level, why? Because from here was the accumulation for all this move, right? So here was the one institutional level. They dipped it a little bit into it, and here is the second one. So it was actually touched, and we have the reaction which actually is taking out this trend, right? On the weekly we can see this touch it's actually on same price, of course, only on the different fractal, right? So we can see the break, then the reaction back in the liquidity void, then moving up again, creating new high. Then the price dropped back into this institutional level where was all this accumulation to create this high which had taken out these levels. And right now, this is not yet the institutional level, but I think it's developing because this price dropped lower, and here is where we will see probably the move up, right? So let's move on to the daily here on the right top corner. So what we are seeing in here is that the price actually has broke through this trend line, right? It was moving lower, then did some retest, then dropped back again, which is actually the good signal for many traders to enter the short in here because the retest at the seller, right? But let's look at this, where it did move back into the previous accumulation phase, right? So what happened in here? The orders has been accumulated, price has moved up, dropped back, they reaccumulated more orders, and now they're moving price up back into the top, where would be the stop losses of those who shorted this trend line retest, right? So this trend line will probably will develop like this, and it will not be broken anymore. It will be the trend. So I will mark it like this. So we have the reaction in this level, and I think we are heading into these highs. Of course, there is a room to go slightly higher. However, I'm personally, if I see the structure, how the market move in the here, I don't think it will go sharply like this. What I would do is targeting these highs, right? These highs will be taken out. It doesn't look like a big target, but still on the 4 hours, what we can see in here. So let's repeat it again. We had this institutional level. So it's actually this one, right? Let me show you. So this complete accumulation was retested, and I will show you on the how it looks on the daily. So it's same because it's very important to see the scales, right? So here we can see it, right? So this accumulation is this one, right? Then sharp move, retest, and now the price is moving higher, right? So the trend line on this one will most likely develop like this. And here was the entry, but unfortunately I was actually expecting the price to dip into this liquidity, right? So I'm not in this trade. So what I would be doing right now, if the price will retrace back lower in here, and here is actually another liquidity void which looks quite good, right? So this would be nice to go long, right? So we have actually quite a lot of people, more than half is already shorting, and I think the market makers are going now to squeeze them, right? So here could be actually the nice entry with the stop loss below this one, right? And if we target it to the tops, could give some nice risk reward ratio. All right, my friends, do your own analysis, and if it's agree with my view, of course, I will be glad. If you have a different view, please comment. Tell me what you think. But definitely, be yourself. Do your own analysis. Don't take a long just because I say that it's long. I can be wrong, and you are responsible for your money. All right, bye bye.